Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we're going to be taking a look at another box from TacPack. That's right, Tactical Pack, a TacPack. TacPack, Rack, Crack, Sack, and Crack Steel Whack. So yeah, before we get into TacPack, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and ring the notification bell. Makes me feel better. Doesn't do anything, makes me feel better. Alright, you guys ready for TacPack? Because I'm looking forward to... What am I looking forward to in a TacPack? Could it be the stickers? Hopefully there's a cool sticker in here. Because if there's not a cool sticker in here, it really ticks me off. You guys ready for TacPack? Let's do it. Alright, so we are back with TacPack. As per usual. If you want to check them out, just go to the Google, type in TacPack, you can find them. What they got? TacPack got like a level 1, a level 2, but I think they changed their naming convention a while back to some stuff that I don't understand. Or was that Monthly Knife Club? I don't remember. We'll see when we get in this, but hopefully there's a card in here. All right, are you guys ready? And like I said, this box felt like it was kind of full. Okay. This does look kind of promising. Okay. So there's a box full of stuff. Now we embark on a mission to try to get stuff out of here without seeing the sticker. And it's usually on the bottom. And I think I saw it. I saw a little bit of it. I saw red. I'm going to put the sticker over here. Okay, I don't think it's that one. Okay, cool. Let's see. Okay, we do got a card here from TacPack. TacPack Plus, okay. I'm not going to open this card because it's all the stuff. So we'll handle that at the end. Okay, let's just take out something that I see that I like. Because it's from My Medic, okay? And you guys know, if you've been to my channel any appreciable amount of time, you'll know that I love My Medic, okay? I just had a big boo-boo ouchie right here on my pinky. Okay, look, real quick. This is what happened. I carry, all the time, a Benchmade Griptilian in my pocket. I'm 51 years old. Never had this happen before. The knife, the blade, actually came out of the frame. In my pocket. In my pocket, blade came out, about that far, and I was like, man, what's going on with my? I said, what's in my pocket? That's messing with me. I jammed my hand in my pocket. Blade. Shh. Not good. But I went to my Medic kits that I have down here, and I used some of that liquid skin, that liquid skin stuff, and I'd never used it before because this thing right here, it was a gusher, bro. It was like a level 5 gusher. So I put pressure on it and put that liquid skin across it, and then put one of their little closure strips on it. Worked like a champ, bro. Love it. Can't say enough good stuff about My Medic. Alright, now this is their sprain and fracture mod kit, which is for, obviously, sprain and fractures. It comes with a finger splint, a triangular bandage, one 2-inch by 15-foot elastic, and a 2 by 15 super wrap. Now, what's good about these, you can see here that you do tear these open. These are resealable, but if you were to add this right here into your first aid supplies, and you use this, you can go to My Medic, their website, and you can buy just this mod pack to replace it. And you can do that with all their stuff, which is, and yes, you do pay a little bit of a premium for that, but whenever you are trying to keep your stuff in tip-top, organized, ready to go at any moment, makes it really easy. Just saying. All right, next thing we got here is from Clean Freak. These are body wipes. This is a shower in your pocket. It says it has 0 alcohol. It is scented with essential oils. It's packaged for on the go. It's 100% biodegradable, and it's safe for all parts. Which is funny because the little depiction here is of someone that looks like they gotta go number pee-pee. You know what I'm saying? They're doing the pee-pee dance. That's pretty funny. So apparently you can wipe your butthole with this. And it's not gonna like burn you up, you know what I'm saying? So it's got all this stuff. It's got, bro, wait a minute. Soft, smooth finish brought to you by witch hazel. It is not safe for all parts if it's got witch hazel on it. Okay, look. You want me to be mean? You want me to be mean? You can prove it. Get some witch hazel. Touch your junk with it. It's not a pleasant experience. I will definitely not be putting this anywhere near my privates. I'm just saying. Nope. Okay, so anyway, there's a bunch of these. There's 12 of them in here. They're 11 inch by 11 inch, and it says coconut essential oil scents. So it smells like coconut. That's cool. Make it smell like at the beach. Okay, cool. Yeah, like dude wipes. Okay. All right, so what we got here? We got some, some M-Lock grips. Okay, these things are nice. Okay. I don't know. I know a lot of you guys probably have experience with this type of stuff. These are just little inserts that you put into your M-Lock rails. And, you know, a lot of times, well, these feel like they don't, hang on. Wait, we got to do some due diligence here. Okay. And, you know, like here they say that they help you with cooling and heat extraction and all this kind of stuff. You know, but what it does, you know, if your M-Lock frame is, you know, whatever, aluminum or whatever else, you know, it can affect you because of the barrel. You put these in the M-Lock, it keeps your hands off, literally off of the rail. So you're touching this, you know what I'm saying. Makes it more comfortable. There you go. All right, Pew Tools. What we got here? It says an alignment tool. Okay. Let's see what we got here. So this is a trigger. Looks like a trigger and hammer alignment tool. Okay, we got the pin there. Okay, all right. So it's from a company called Pew Tools, and they do give you the Allen key wrenches for it and all that jazz. So yeah, and we got the necessary pins in there if you need to do such a job. Apparently that tool's got you covered. Okay, now what the crap is this? Okay, this looks like something for your bench. This looks like one of them mats that would do some organizing. Right? Is that what this is? Oh, this is from Battle Arms. Okay, from Battle Arms. This is a magnetic gunsmith cleaning mat medium. Okay. Okay, so what we got here. Oh, check that out. That's kind of cool. I like that. Okay, so over here we got some millimeter marks. We got some inch marks all the way from 0 to 17 and a half. It's about right. It's about right. You know, I don't fold mine in half for nobody. And then we got, you know, 2 big compartments up here, some small compartments over here. Okay, this is nice. So, you know, for your bench, you know, you got this really nice little way to kind of do some organizing and look cool while you're doing it. And you know, one thing I do like about this is the color, the blue, because it never fails. You know, a lot of my, like you see my NAF's, you know, mat here, it's got a lot of black on it. And so does a bunch of my rolls up here that I got for, you know, AR. But they're all black. Dude, a lot of them pins and them little screws is black. put them on something like this, you can find them. Especially when you're, you know, over 50 and you're going blind. This is actually nice to have. So I'm gonna give a very enthusiastic thumbs up for this. Okay? Me likey. Okay? I like it. I'll put it up there. Okay, what we got here? We got some pistol buffer spring is what it looks like. This is a Phase 5 weapon system. And this is a pistol buffer spring, yo. So we got a buffer spring from Phase 5 weapon systems. It's a spring. Boing. See? It's a spring. If you need it, you need it. If you don't, you don't. Okay, we got these things here. Battle Arms VIP. I don't know. You know, I looked into this and I didn't really understand what it was. It's some membership thing, and this is something where they give you money off and all that kind of stuff. I don't know. A lot of stuff, you know, like this in these subscription boxes, I don't really mess with. I just get the box and kind of let it ride. Let's see. Metatactical.com makes MX1 conversion kit. Turn your Glock. Oh, I've got one of these. I don't know if it's from this company, but it's a conversion kit for your Glock. Like the Glock actually goes in this thing, and it makes it like a full-size carbine. They're actually really neat. I would say I could show you guys, but I really can't. On this, the overlords here don't like it, so I get, you know, sorry. But yeah, there you go. All right, and the final thing, we got something from CRKT, which is some river knife and tool. Could be Columbia. Could be Confidence. Okay. Do we have... Oh, this is a provoke. We're going to provoke. Provoke. Oh my God, look at this thing. What the crap? What is this? This is something that's way above my pay grade, bro. Okay, so we got generic information. Whoa, look at this thing. Holy shnikes. This, I don't have nothing like this, bro. I do not have anything like this right here. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, obviously it articulates out like that. How do you unlock it? How do you unlock it? Okay, the lock is back here. God dang. God dang. Yeah, I'm not a fan. It's cool though. Not really a fan. But yeah, you can push it. You push it. So we got some jimping, some texturing right here, right here. So obviously you're meant to push it like that up to deploy it, like that, like so. And there you go. So you got kind of a like a hook bill karambit kind of situation going on. And once it's open, you know, I don't know. You know, look, everybody has their own preferences, likes and stuff. Stuff like this right here, it's cool. You know, it's cool, but it's just not for me. You know, it's not something that I like. And then this is the locking mechanism back here on the kind of the tail end by the ring. But boy, you got to push that jank in, son. And then you just articulate it back. And you see the pointy end there goes into this part of the frame. But it does leave it semi-exposed like that, which I don't know, you know, it's kind of cool, I guess. If you like that kind of a thing. Yeah, I got to show my channel members. So yeah. Yeah, I don't know. This, you know, I'm a very plain, I'm a very vanilla knife enthusiast. Stuff like this, you know, I do understand. I like seeing people that can, you know, use knives of this type that have the eyelets, the ringlets on them, and see them flick them around and everything. I don't have a need to do that kind of stuff, I think, for me personally. I do appreciate the skill that it takes for someone to learn to manipulate a knife in that way, so I appreciate it. but I'm someone that I'm perfectly fine appreciating somebody else doing it. It's not really my thing. But this is a really cool, interesting blade from CRKT that I don't have anything like this. So now we can say that that is a good thing, right? Because that is the whole point of these subscription boxes, is getting things like this that I normally would never have bought myself. And I can really say, hey, this is something I don't like or I won't use or whatever. But sometimes you never know until you actually get the item in your hand and you get to see, hey, do I like it? Do I not like it? You know, whatever. All right, here is the sticker. All right, we're gonna look at the sticker. All right, are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, whew, man. All right, so hopefully now we're starting a new series of sticker. Okay, this is. It's not a Power Ranger. Okay. Although I am kind of curious to see what they call it. Let's see what they call it. This is, oh wow, they call it the Tactical Red Ranger sticker. It's morphin' time. That's flying really, really close to some kind of infringement. But I like it because you guys can see up here I have all 4 of the Ninja Turtles. Finally it happened on the channel. We got all 4 of the Ninja Turtle stickers, you know. Yeah, we've got a bunch of stickers, man. I love getting these stickers. Okay, so what this means is hopefully we are going to see more of these, because obviously if they're going with the Power Ranger theme, there ain't just one. So yeah. All right, so that is this TacPack. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Hang on. Let's go through the thing real quick. Okay, so there's 2, right? There's 2 TacPack boxes you can get, right? So what makes these boxes different is going to be the plus item. And for this particular box, the plus item was the CRKT Provoke compact blade. And they say that this is a classic reimagined, redesigned to be ultra-portable everyday carry, wielding power in compact size, a sturdy aluminum handle, adds to its superb lightweight design, blah, 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 blah. Okay. But they say this is a $185 value. So this is the plus item for TacPack. Okay, and here's everything else. So you got the armor's mat, the wipes, that apparently got witch hazel, so you don't want to put them on your nuts. I'm just saying. My Medic Fracture Mod, we got the sticker, we got the buffer spring, we got the rail covers, the alignment tool, and then the knife. So that is it for TacPack. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this box. Give me a thumbs up on the video. Make sure you're subscribed. May the good Lord bless all of you. I'm about to sneeze. I'm getting out of here. I love all of you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.